36 district court now in session. Isaiah, could you turn down your volume a little bit? 36 district court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While of course in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Tariq Ruff, ticket number C8087991. Count 1, operating while intoxicated, first offense. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Maurice Davis, P76203, appearing with Tariq Ruff, who's present, appearing via Zoom. Ruff, will you start your name?
Tariq Ruff.
All right, this matter, I believe it is set for a bench trial. How are we proceeding, Mr. Davis? Oh, no, I'm sorry, it's a final pre-trial, I'm sorry.
Okay, I want to set it for a bench trial.
Okay. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Ruff. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
Put your hand down. Do you understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you any value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea set this matter for a bench trial on June 21st at 9 o'clock. Did you get that date?
Can you say one?
June 21st, 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right. Anything further, Mr. Davis?
No, that's all. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Irving, the camera. Were you guys ready on anything or?
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor. I have quite a few.
Okay.
Okay, we have a few new faces, so I'm gonna reopen the courtroom. 36 District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans is presiding. While court's in session, no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating, or in and out of the camera. And when your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Good morning, Your Honor, once again.
Your Honor, can we call Levon Ramsey?
What is he set for?
Raymond on bench warrant, Judge.
All right, this is the People versus Levon Ramsey, ticket number SP1429305, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Levon Ramsey. Mr. Ramsey, can you unmute and identify yourself for the record, please?
Yes, Levon Ramsey.
Your Honor, I saw proof of valid insurance for Mr. Ramsey. We'd ask that the warrant be recalled at this time, and pursuant to prosecutor stipulation, we'll ask for dismissal. We'll stipulate to probable cause.
All right, with that, the court will recall any warrants or habeas. We'll dismiss count 1 without prejudice, as Mr. Ramsey has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Your Honor, at this time, could we call Kanika Davis?
Normally I have all these out, sorry.
Kanika Davis.
This is the People versus Kanika Davis, ticket number SP1434882, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle, count 3, operating license on a person. It looks like there's some more tickets. Give me one moment. SP 1399774, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Yes, Melissa Cameron appearing on behalf of Kanika Davis. Ms. Davis, please say your name to the record, please.
Hey, how you doing, Your Honor? It's Kanika Davis.
Your Honor, as to the bench warrants, we'd ask the court to recall the warrants at this time.
Or will recall any warrants?
Your Honor, as to the 5 matters pending before the court, my client produced valid documentation to the court. She has valid registration insurance and a driver's license. Based on that, the prosecutor has agreed to dismiss the tickets and will stipulate to probable cause on those matters.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Davis has provided valid documentation. We're all set, Ms. Davis. Select me, ma'am.
Ms. Davis, Jacqueline Davis, and Ms. Diallo, please get into the camera and remain in the camera. Ms. Diallo, stay in the camera.
Yes.
Thank you, Ms. Kanika Davis. You're all set, okay?
Hi, Ernie. Can I ask you a question?
For the lawyer or for the court?
The court. I just got a ticket. They just gave me another ticket, but he told me to show y'all this one if y'all want to pull this one up, because he said if it's up to y'all to throw it out. I just got a ticket for my tent. But I got it off
for the court.
He told me to bring it up and if y'all want to pull this ticket up, because he just gave me the ticket. And I told him like I would.
The improper equipment ticket and allowing a licensed driver to drive and no operator. Is it? I think it's these two.
No. It's
is the date May 17, 2023?
You said, did I just get that ticket May 17?
That's what she said, yes.
No.
These are the only other, those 2 tickets are the only pending matter.
Okay, probably you didn't get in the system yet.
So, I mean, yeah, you have there's these 2 tickets. One is May 17th, one is May 30th. This is equipment violation. And then you have a allowing a licensed driver to drive.
No, them the tickets that I think she just did. This one just my tent window.
That's probably the equipment violation.
I guess.
Oh no,
Okay, Your Honor.
So I don't know. What did you want to do? You have
no. No, the guy that the ticket. I mean, the police officer that gave me the ticket. He said because he's saying that I had a court date, and he was like, "You can tell them to pull this ticket up when you go to court." So I was just doing what he had told me to do. But you saying,
right? I mean, we can deal with the ticket today. I'm asking, what do you want to do?
Yeah, we could deal with it. That's what I'm trying to get it over with. I can give you the ticket number that's on the ticket.
Okay. So, Ms. Cameron, I don't know what your plan was to do. There's an allowing a licensed driver to drive that she's charged with. That would be a 3-month delayed sentence. She also has this other ticket of equipment violation. So the equipment violation would be dismissed. She could do the allowing unlicensed driver to drive. That would be a 3-month delayed sentence.
Do you want that, ma'am?
You said, I can't hear the last part.
It would be a 3-month delayed sentence on the allowing unlicensed driver to drive. You make admissions to that. You would have to pay a fine. You come back in 3 months. And then if you do everything that's been asked of you, which would be pay the fine, get no more tickets, then this will be dismissed off your record. The equipment violation ticket, that would be dismissed as well.
Yeah. So that means like my license won't be suspended, right?
I don't know. I don't suspend licenses. That's the Secretary of State. So.
Oh, okay. No, I'm just trying to handle it at this moment. I'm not.
So you do want to? You do want to take?
I mentioned it before.
She want to take the offer to set up a trial. I don't know.
No, I don't want to take it to trial.
So you want to take the offer? Yes or no? You can think about it. We can recall it. You can think about it. She can go back.
Let me think about it. Let me think about it. I'll think about that.
Room, please. This is the People versus Kenneth Davis. Ticket number. Do we have any of these officers? We do.
Kenneth Davis, we have an offer, Judge.
No, I know. I was just saying that some of the officers are here.
Yes, Officer Malouf. I'll bring him out. He's on this ticket.
I think I got it.
Let me see.
Okay, this is the People versus Kenneth Davis, ticket number SP1441672, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, count 2, driver license suspended, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Kenneth Davis. Mr. Davis, state your name for the record, please.
Kenneth Ray Davis.
Your Honor.
Officer Malouf, can you say your name?
Yes, some officer.
Thank you.
Your Honor, the offer is for him to plead, Mr. Davis to plead to 1 count of open alcohol as a passenger with a dismissal of the other 2 tickets. Will stipulate to probable cause. And I did advise Mr. Davis that that is still a 2-point offense.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis.
Yes.
Do you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still should continue with your guilty pleas?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 22nd, 2023 at 3:06 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and Holcomb in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 GMC vehicle?
Yes.
You have open alcohol in that vehicle?
Yeah.
All right. And you're satisfied, Ms. Cameron?
I'm satisfied, Judge. Thank you.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to open intoxicant passenger. We'll dismiss counts 2 and 3 without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by? Can you have it paid by July 10th?
July, Judge, you think I can get like August 10th, like 2 months?
Yes, sir.
All right, that'll be fine.
So we'll do August 10th. So let's do August 10th. Any questions, sir?
August 10th is fine, no questions, Judge.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. This is the People versus Isaiah Driver, ticket number SP1308533, count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP1148004. Count 1, driver register on title vehicle. Good morning. Please say your name to the record, starting with Officer Adams.
Good morning, ma'am. It's Officer Adams, badge 3385.
This is yours, Ms. Cameron.
Well, I thought Ms. Irby was handling this, but yes, Linda Cameron appearing on behalf of Mr. Driver. Your Honor, Mr. Driver is asking for an adjournment, I believe, to get the valid documentation.
Well, as far as the matter with Officer Smith,
right?
That officer is not present.
Correct. So we're asking for dismissal of those 2 tickets. Mr. Driver indicated that he had valid registration, so he's asking for an adjournment as to that particular matter.
Officer Adams, do you have a position?
No, ma'am. I can dismiss mine as well. I have no recollection of it.
Oh, all right. Well, there you are. With that, you stipulate the proper cause, Ms. Cameron?
Yes, Judge, we stipulate the probable cause on all 3 tickets, Judge. Thank you.
So ticket number ending in 004 is dismissed without prejudice, and ticket number ending in 533 is dismissed without prejudice as the officer failed to appear. You are all set, Mr. Driver. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you, Officer Adams.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a wonderful day.
Your Honor, could we call Veronica Rangel?
This is the People versus Veronica Rangel. Ticket number SP 1036996. Count 1 drove while unlicensed. Ticket number. Oh, wait a minute. Let me make sure. This ticket was softly owned. Okay, that's it. That's the only ticket. All right. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron, appearing on behalf of Ms. Rangel. Ms. Rangel, please state your name for the record, please.
Rangel.
Say it louder. We can't hear you.
This is Veronica Rangel.
Your Honor, as to the arraignment on the bench warrant, we'll waive the formal complaint, reading of the complaint warrant. We'd ask that the warrant for failure to appear be set aside at this time.
All right, the court will set aside any warrant.
Your Honor, we're asking for a pretrial date. Ms. Rangel's in the process of getting her driver's license.
All right, we will set this matter for a pretrial on 21st at 8:35.
What was that, Judge? It was too much noise coming from the courtroom. I didn't hear.
June 21st at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're all set, Ms. Rangel.
June 21st at 8:30. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, guys.
Your Honor, could we call Harold Robinson?
Harold Robinson. Wait a minute.
Oh, did he off?
No, it's not. He's not out here.
Yeah, I don't see him there.
Oh, okay. Huh. I don't know what happened to him. Let me see.
I got Dejanay Denton.
Yes, we're ready on that.
This is the People versus Dejanay Denton. Ticket number SP 1444255. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no proof of insurance. And then ticket number SP 1444390. Count 1, drove while unlicensed. Good morning. Please say your name for the record, starting with Corporal McCree.
Dejanay Denton.
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
And Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Dejanay Denson. Your Honor, the recommendation from the prosecutor's office is that she plead responsible to expired plates. The other 2 matters will be dismissed and stipulate the probable cause.
All right, can you stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number ending in 255?
We will, Judge. Thank you.
All right, the court will accept the admission of responsible after count 1. We'll dismiss count 2. And for ticket number ending in 255, and then we'll dismiss ticket number 3 ending in 390. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of, I think it's $145. Because this is a civil infraction, You have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have it paid by June 22nd?
Yes.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay, so you're all set. If you don't pay it by June 22nd, this will go into default. You'll incur late fees. It will not close out. Okay, so make sure you pay it.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Corporal McCree. About Jacqueline Davis. This is the people versus Jacqueline Davis, ticket number SP 1439860, count 1, drove while unlicensed, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Jacqueline Davis. Ms. Davis, can you unmute and identify yourself for the court, please? Thank you.
Jacqueline Davis.
Your Honor, this date and time scheduled for trial, Officer Nicole Hupp did not appear here today. We're asking for a dismissal, understanding it was without prejudice.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9. It's 10:20. No officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are offset.
You can leave, Ms. Davis. Your matter was dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
You're welcome. The people versus Kadi Diallo.
Yes.
SP 1444732, count 1. Hold on. Count 1 is a failed to display. Dirty, obscured, and properly displayed plate, and count 2 is failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Spidell.
Corporal Spidell, Detroit Police Department.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Ms. Diallo. Ms. Diallo, please identify yourself for the record, please.
Khadija Diallo.
Your Honor, this date and time scheduled for trial, Ms. Diallo supplied proof of valid registration and proof of a valid driver's license. Therefore, we're asking for a dismissal. We'll stipulate to probable cause.
All right. Seeing Mr. Corporal Spidell, seeing that Ms. Diallo does have valid documentation, you are okay with these matters being dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So these matters are dismissed without prejudice as she has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Ms. Diallo. Good luck to you, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, wait, you got one more. Is Dennis Dillard here?
Signed in.
Oh, he did? Okay, so I guess, can you go back to the breakout room? Purple. Did, for La Brea Robinson, did the officers check in for that?
No.
Okay.
Should have.
Let me, I don't
gotta check out.
Ms. Diallo, you can leave. Your cases were dismissed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Versus La Brea Robinson, ticket number SP 1443312. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driving register or vehicle. Ticket number SP 1443165. Count 1, registration and or plate violation, no plate. Count 2, no rear view or defective mirror. Count 3, improper address. The warning to be in the record.
Yes. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of La Brea Robinson. Ms. Robinson, state your name for the record, please.
La Brea Robinson.
Your Honor, this date and time scheduled for trial and formal hearings on these matters. The officer has not appeared here today. We're going to ask for dismissal. We'll understand that those dismissals will be without prejudice.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 10:23, and no officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Robinson. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, okay, Judge, I'm gonna break out Cameron's second batch of people. Also, we need Ms. Horn back for George Douglas.
Which one?
George Douglas, the one that you said Ms. Horn can only take it out of default, move the motion, take it out of default. Ms. Robinson, you can leave your cases where this been.
Let me see his tick. What's his name?
George Douglas.
What does he say?
Review.
Oh.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
You comply with the license, yeah.
Yeah, Ms. Horn got to look at that one.
Ms. Horn, Ms. Cameron, did you talk to Mr. Robinson? You got to remove your hat.
So for George, for George Douglas, his should be dismissed because it was a
right.
6-week delay sentence.
But he had 2 more civil infractions. He thought that he can handle it today.
What is it from? 2022?
Shanika Davis, you got to get into the camera and eliminate the noise because I will remove. Shanika Davis, turn on the camera. Okay, stand to the camera. So that's what happened, Judge. And Melinda, did you talk to a Dabana? I think we did that one. No, we didn't. Did you talk to Miss Dabana? She had came out too. This young lady right here. It says retain, but let me see.
But you did put out a summary, but I don't hear.
The attorney was here and I don't see him. Let me see. Attorney. Well, he's still in the breakout room.
June 5th, 23. That's on count 2.
June 5th?
Yeah.
Miss, okay. Raeigen, did you talk to your attorney yet?
Yes.
Okay. I wonder if he's ready. Hold on. Let me get him. Attorney Norman, are you ready on your case?
Yes, and I am also going to stand in for Attorney Tanaj on the Reyes case.
Okay.
I'm sorry, what is Ms. Raeigen set for?
What is your client set for today?
Mr. Babna is set for a trial.
Yeah, she sure is.
Ms. who? Raeigen is set for a trial?
Yes.
Oh, I see it. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, okay, let's call that.
Okay, 36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While closed in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petwood. This is the people versus Rain. Is it the Babine Raina? Ticket number SP1439545. Count 1, drove while licensed, not valid or proper license. This is count 2 of improper land usage that's in default, but I'm assuming Mr. Norman is going to make a motion to set that default judgment aside. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor. Michael Norman, P75844, appearing on behalf of Mr. Babna.
And say your name, please. Unmute yourself, say your name.
Renamed Babna.
Are you making a motion to set aside the default judgment as to count 2?
I am, Your Honor. Sorry, I was waiting for the prosecutor. I am making a motion to set aside the default on count 2 Mr. Babin is present and was not aware of the prior date.
So with that, wait, did Officer Turner check in?
Officer Turner did not check in.
Okay, so this matter was set for trial at 9 at 10:29. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, sir?
Yes, I'd request a dismissal of the case ending in 5451 as we are prepared to move forward.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. You're all set. Good luck to you. You're standing for someone else?
Yes, but in regards to count 2, Your Honor.
That was dismissed.
Okay, thank you. I'm standing in for Reyes, Raies, on behalf of Attorney Tanaj.
Okay.
You can log off, Mr. Babin. I'll give you a call.
Did that officer check in, Mr. Cutler?
Reyes, let me see.
I don't see anyone here for it.
No.
Okay, this is the people versus.
Are they out of the breakout room? Let me see.
It's a civil infraction, so I'm assuming the attorney was just proceeding on their behalf.
Right.
Reyes, ticket number SP 1445306, count 1, speeding 21 to 25 miles per hour over posted speed. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Norman, P75844, appearing on behalf of Reyes.
You waive your client's appearance. You waive your client's appearance.
Oh, yes, I'm sorry, waiving Mr. Reyes' appearance.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 at 10:30. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion?
Yes, I move to dismiss as I'm present and prepared to proceed.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Your client's all set. Thank you, Mr. Norman.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Mr. Robinson, Lawrence Robinson, turn on your video, please. Lawrence Robinson, turn on your video.
Did anyone speak to George Douglas?
Hello.
Hold on, Mr. Robinson. What did you say, Judge?
So yeah, the court will set aside the default judgment on these civil infractions.
On Mr. Douglas' case?
Yes.
Okay, I'll bring him out.
And they went into default like 2 days ago. Yeah. So I don't know if he needs to speak with someone.
I'm gonna put him in the breakout room.
Okay.
Mr. Douglas.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. And the attorney will be there to speak with you momentarily. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 3. And Ms. Irby, you can talk to Mr. Douglas.
Okay.
Ms. Irby?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second. So Calvin Robinson, did he appear?
Who?
Calvin Robinson?
Calvin Robinson?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm here.
Calvin Robinson. And Mr. Robinson is going to be driving. Calvin Robinson.
What about a Benjamin Reed?
No, he did not. And Benjamin Reed, no.
Juan Davis?
Juan Davis.
No.
I don't see him.
Antoine Davis did not check in.
Oh.
I'm just bringing all these officers out.
Mr. Robinson, I'm gonna put you in the waiting room until you get to your destination. Then I'm gonna bring you out.
Okay, I'm ready, Mr.
Okay. 36 District Court is back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while closing session. No reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if you're going to give your full and non-biased attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Payway. Everyone, when I call your name, please let either police officer or attorney say their name first, and then you say your name. Officer Riley, good morning. I don't think Reginald Rondo appeared, unless I'm mistaken, but that is the case.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, officer. All right, this is the people versus, let's do, and
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Oh,
Sergeant Carson, I don't believe Kelvin gave this.
I thought Calvin Robinson was here.
Let me double check my let me double check. No, Kelvin Robinson did not sign in.
Okay, so Sergeant Carson, Calvin Robinson did not appear. That's going to be a KPS. Officer Bouchard, Carlos Rojo, Jean did not appear. That's going to be a KPS. And Officer Hale, Dominique Roby did not appear. That's also a KPS.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, this is people versus, let's see, we got Tarek Robinson, ticket number SB 1406635. Count 1, improper place. Count 2, driver license suspended. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1405051. Count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license. Count 2, driving register or entitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1191322. Count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license. Ticket number SP 1355701. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Ticket number SP 1191322. Count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license. You know that? Yes. All right, and then ticket number. I think I called that one. Sorry, I think that's a duplicate. Ticket number 1355701. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. I think the rest are all duplicates. Okay. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Eric Robinson.
Is this yours, Ms. Cameron, Ms. Irby?
Yes. Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right.
Sir,
are you asking? Go ahead.
Mr. Tarek Robinson.
He said, say your name, sir. I think he's frozen.
Okay. Well, Judge, as to Mr. Tarek Robinson, we would ask the court to set aside the bench warrants that before the court, waive the form reading the complaint warrants as to each matter. And we're asking that all of these matters be scheduled for a pretrial date.
Okay. Court will set aside any bench warrants. We'll set these matters for a pretrial date on June 21st at 8:35.
Thank you.
So you are all set, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. You guys, I'm sorry, just give me one moment because we have a lot of duplicates. Just everyone just give me one moment, please.
Duplicates.
Yeah.
Yeah, this group all duplicates. Give it up. You got the original tickets, right?
Yeah, they were like
Mr. Robinson, you finished. Your next court date is June 21st at 8:35.
Thank you.
Ms. Irby, did you talk to Mr. Douglas?
I went in, he said he spoke to someone already.
And he didn't.
Okay.
The judge is going to set aside to be part to the civil infraction, and I do believe he can. What was Judge? I don't remember everything you said.
Yeah, he's here for one matter already. That's a delayed sentence that he did comply, so that's supposed to be dismissed. But he also has 2 civil infractions that just went into default 2 days ago. So if you make a motion, the court, I will set aside the default judgment, and then I don't know, see if he has any valid documentation. If not, he can plead to. I don't know if he's gonna want to plead or. I don't know if he's gonna look it or not, but see if he has his registration and insurance.
Okay, Judge.
It's expired place of insurance.
I have the officer for Down Douglas trying to get in.
All right, this is the People versus Janae Rice. Ticket number SP1231112. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, driving register or type of vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP773619. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number SP853859. Count 1, allow unqualified driver to drive. Warning, please say your name to the record.
Janae Rice.
Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Janae Rice. Your Honor, as to Ms. Rice, the offer is to plead to 1 count of failing to display a valid operator's license. The other matters will be dismissed. We'll stipulate the probable cause on the tickets for Officer Ryan Walden, who's present. We'd ask that the other 2 matters be dismissed.
That was from Ms. Horn because these other tickets are state tickets.
Oh.
So would she take a 3-month delay if she pled to the failed to display, and then would she do a 3-month delayed sentence on one of the allowing an unqualified?
Well, that officer did not appear.
It's not set for, it's set for a show cause.
I have 5 matters scheduled for trial. That's all I have, Judge.
I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. Oh, so, okay. So Bennett is the only one that appeared, correct?
Bennett is here. I don't know if Bennett, I think he is. And then also Ryan Walden was here.
Walden was here?
Yes.
Yes.
Nelson was not here.
Nelson was not here.
Are you looking for Officer Bennett? Because he's right here.
You're right. Bennett?
I do have Bennett here. He's right here.
I'm helping you up. Never mind, sorry. Hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. Did you show up for Janae Rice?
Yes.
Okay.
My phone shut down. I don't know why.
Okay. So what she do? So it'll be a fail to display. Would she do a 3-month delayed sentence on the allowing?
I'm fine with that, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms.
Rice, do you want that offer?
I'm confused.
All right.
What are you confused about, Ms. Rice?
You said I have a 3-month delay sentence. What is
the offer is a 3-month delayed sentence? That means that you will have 3 months to pay a fine. You can't get any more tickets. If you do all of that, this allowing an unqualified driver to drive charge would be dismissed off your record.
Oh, okay.
All right. Raise your right hand, ma'am. Oh, officer, hold on. Corporal Bennett, can you say your name for the record, please? You're muted. Y'all were kind of loud. You were muted, but I'm going to need you to say your name.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, Bass 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. Thank you, officer. All right, raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private about your case and your rights?
Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Nope.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yep.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yeah.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yeah.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 31st, 2021 at 5:01 p.m. On that date time, were you at or near Jefferson and Bellevue in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2013 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
All right, and then I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 3rd, 2018 at 1:06 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2006 Buick vehicle?
Yes.
Allow an unqualified driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
Are you satisfied, Ms. Cameron?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Court is also satisfied. Factual basis will amend count 1, ticket number ending in 112 to fail to display. Will dismiss the remaining tickets on that, remaining charges on that ticket without prejudice. Will dismiss ticket number ending in 619 without prejudice as the officer failed to appear, and we will proceed to sentence. There is a fine of there'll be a fine. I'm sorry, the unqualified driver is a 3-month delayed sentence. So what the court is going to do is give you a fine of $300. I'm going to waive the fine for the fail to display. You have 3 months to pay the $300 fine. So your next court date is going to be September 7th at 8:35. When you come back on that date of September 7th at 8:35, you've got to make sure you've paid that fine. Don't get any more tickets. Once you've done all that, this allowing an unqualified driver, that ticket will be dismissed off your record. Did you have any questions?
No.
No? Okay. So you're all set, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you.
Judge, may I bother you again with the case of Donald Douglas?
Donald Douglas?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. You haven't bothered me at all about Donald Douglas.
Well, you spoke about him earlier. I just had a question.
That was George Douglas.
Oh, no, I'm with Donald Douglas.
Okay, Donald Douglas would be open intoxicant passenger.
Okay.
But let me see, what is it set for?
It's set for trial.
Oh, let me see if the officer appeared. Did the officer appear for that?
Yes, yes, Judge. He's here.
Yes, this is the trooper right here.
Yes,
right.
I just need to go in and talk to him. I just wanted to make sure.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Officer Tanti, Antoine Davis did not check in.
Okay.
So I think I don't see him in the room and he's not here. So that is so thank you. Thank you for helping.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Okay.
Benjamin Reed for Lieutenant Barr did not check in also, Your Honor.
Okay. Lieutenant Barr, you are all set. Benjamin Reed is a KPS. He did not appear.
Thank you.
All right. And then Mr. Robinson for Dennis Dillard.
Hello, Judge. This is Sarah Robinson. Is Miss Horn available? When she came in, I was in another hearing.
And I can't give you no offer on that. No, she hasn't come down since I've been here. Is this his first offense?
I don't have his whole driving record, Judge. I apologize.
We're gonna pull his SOS. And if we can pull his SOS, if he doesn't have any others, it might be a operating while visibly impaired. So we'll see.
Yes, Judge.
We try.
Oh wait, let me see if it's in here. Stop the oh, she had an offer. Yeah, she had offered visibly impaired.
Okay, can I go into a breakout room with him? Or what
Yeah,
room
he's
is
in
he in?
he's in room number 10.
All right, I'll go in. Thank you.
Okay. All right. All right. Maybe I want to be in the patient. Okay, Mr. Dupree. Antonio J. Dupree. This is the people versus Antonio Dupree, ticket number SP 1438616, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning. Say your name for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Antonio Dupree. Your Honor, this matter is scheduled for trial today. The officer did not appear. We'll ask for dismissal.
All right. Say your name.
Without prejudice.
Say your name, Mr. Dupree. Unmute yourself. Say your name, sir.
Antonio Dupree.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock at 10:50. No officer has appeared. These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dupree. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, sir. This is the people versus Stephanie Davis, ticket number SP 1443331, count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Good morning, you say your name for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Stephanie Davis. This is date and time scheduled for trial. The officer did not appear here today. We're asking for dismissal understandings without prejudice.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:51. No officer has appeared. Propik didn't appear.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Officer Propik didn't check it?
No.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Ms. Davis, did you say your name for the record, ma'am?
She on unmute. Tap your device, Ms. Davis, and touch that microphone. Like I showed you earlier.
Hello.
At the bottom.
Okay, here I am.
Your name, ma'am.
Stephanie Davis.
All right. So these matters are dismissed without prejudice. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
We did down.
Judge, we're ready on Donald Douglas.
All right, let me do Miss Kanika Davis. This is the people versus Kanika Davis.
Yes, Your Honor.
I think ticket number, she has 2 tickets number.
Come back on your video, Mr. Douglas. Turn on your video.
SP 1458646, count 1, allowing.
I don't know, for some reason.
And then ticket number SP 1399774, count 1, defective or missing equipment. Good morning, you say your name for the record.
Yes, Melinda Cameron appearing on behalf of Kanika Davis. Ms. Davis, state your name for the record, please.
Kanika Davis.
Ms. Davis, how do you wish to proceed, ma'am?
Huh?
What do you want to do?
You said that I can take it to trial for the
You want to set up a trial, ma'am?
I just wanted to get throughout for real.
So do you want to plead? I mean, we gave you time to think about it. Have you come up with the decision?
Take the plea.
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, if I can get throughout.
All right, raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear, other hand?
Oh, yeah, my bad.
Do you swear or affirm that the motion is nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to, I'm sorry, you had an opportunity to speak to your attorney about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
No, I'm just trying to get the case throughout.
Are you pleading of your own free will?
Oh, yes.
You pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
No.
Then you need to set this for trial. We'll give you, you want to set it for a bench trial or a jury trial?
Girl, she talking about bench trial or jury trial. All right, I'm just trying to, where's the way I can just get it throughout?
You have to set it for trial, ma'am, and be found not guilty if you're not guilty. That's why the judge is trying to set it for a trial date.
Okay, because I don't understand. Okay.
All right, so why don't you just set it for a bench trial? That means the judge makes a decision about innocence or guilt.
Okay. Okay, Rachel, you're already under oath. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Right. Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
The court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set these matters for a bench trial for June 21st at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
All right, you're all set. Okay, you said you're ready on Douglas?
Yes, Judge.
This is the People versus Donald Douglas, ticket number SX4154344. Count one, open intoxicants and vehicle driver. I'm going to say your name for the record, starting with Trooper Edwards. Whenever he appears. There you go.
How you doing, Trooper Edwards, Michigan State Police?
All right.
Good morning. Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Joe Irby appearing on behalf of Mr. Donald Douglas, who is with this case via Zoom. Mr. Douglas, please state your name for the record.
Donald Douglas.
Yes, Your Honor. Today is the day and time scheduled for trial. Acknowledging that Trooper Edwards is present, I have advised my client of his rights and his rights to confront the witnesses against him. He wishes to avail himself of the offer, whereas he would be pleading to a reduced charge, amended charge, which would be operating alcohol as a passenger.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Irby, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Say that one more time.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 21st, 2023 at 8:04 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Glen Court and Lawton Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2023 Hyundai vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have open intoxicants in that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, sir?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to open intoxicants passenger. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Douglas. Can you have that fine paid by July 10? You're muted, sir.
Can you give me a little more time than that?
Yes, sir. August 10th.
All right.
Any questions?
What I gotta just come down to 36 to pay that?
No, you can pay it online. You can pay it over the phone. There's kiosks around the city, like in Meyer CVS called DIV, DAT, DIV is the Victor, DAT as the Tom. There's one in the Northwest Activity Center that you can pay it there, or you can come down to the courthouse.
Okay.
If you want if you want the phone number, I can give it to you.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
1855
Uh-huh.
798
Uh-huh.
1547.
1547.
Yes, sir.
Okay.